Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Oracle Espresso machine. It comes to us with no water coming out from the group head. So when I test the machine, I find out this solenoid valve, the three-way solenoid valve, is broken and it's like was clogged. Look at how bad is that. And even the coil, this part also burnt. So I just replaced it, and I found out the machine leaking from many different spots in the top of the steam boiler. So let me show these. These are O-rings. I don't know if you can see it like that. Over here, these are the O-rings get replaced. And after I replaced it, I noticed also there was leak from the top of the same ropes. It was like actually only this one, and one of those, I don't remember which one of those was a small leak. So I know it's gonna be soon, it's gonna get broken. And during the tune-up, when I was cleaning the group head, I find out this, the diffuser, this part, it's under the screen here, was broken. So I just also replaced it. When I deep cleaned the group head, I replaced the group head gasket with a new one, scaled the machine twice, and I give it multiple cleaning cycles, deep clean for the steam wand and even for the grinder. So let's go ahead, test it, and make a espresso shot on it, see how it works. There you go. This is gray shot coming out of this Breville, and actually I'm not using the best beans, it's just testing beans. So let's test the hot water. Something for test the hot water. There you go. That works perfect. And the steamer. That's doing great. So the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.